Hey you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Thank you so much for joining me and sharing a piece of your day with me. So by far, the question I get most is how I've kept my under eyes so smooth for my age. For those of you brand new, I am 51 years old. I have been in the aesthetics industry for the past, well, since I was 18, I'm 51 now, so a long time, my whole adult life. And I am passionate about aging well from the inside out. And part of that is taking good care of my skin. So one of my most used devices is the Nira Laser. So this precision laser I have been using for treating the under eyes for probably 3 years now. And I absolutely love it. I really think the smoothness of my under eyes is in large part because of consistent use with the Nira Laser. So this even gets better. You guys, I've had my hands on this for a while, but wasn't able to share. And after testing their new and improved Nira Pro laser, which has a bigger head on it so you can get more surface area, including the neck and chest, you can do an entire face treatment with this device in 3 minutes. And you can still get under the eyes pretty close. Now, a couple upgrades from this device to this device. You can see the head size is quite different. So this is smaller and this is larger. But this one, you had to hold down the trigger to activate. The new device does not have the manual trigger. It is a constant firing, constant trigger, which is so nice. So the Nira lasers and the new Nira Surface Laser are both FDA approved to treat fine lines and wrinkles safely at home. Now, you only feel a tiny bit of heat when using this, so it's really comfortable, not painful, just a nice warm little shot of heat in the area that you're using it. This is the same non-fractional laser as used in dermatologist's office. So you have the flexibility of doing this at home, cheaper, more consistently, which is going to lead to more effective results. So unlike a lot of anti-aging tools out there, this was actually developed by laser experts to be both safe and effective. So how this works is that it gently heats the dermis. And by heating the dermis, you are going to trigger fibroblast and encourage collagen synthesis. Now, collagen is something that as we age, we lose, and the natural production of collagen needs to be stimulated to be able to get those youthful results that we had when we were younger. So some of the other skin benefits or improvements that you'll see using the Nira Laser and that I've seen personally is that it helps with hyperpigmentation. I have a hyperpigmentation spot, a stubborn one, that is nearly gone. You guys have probably seen it in past videos and heard me talking about it. And I gave a little extra attention. I would do my whole face, do a little bit of extra attention in those areas where I had some stubborn hyperpigmentation, and they are definitely lightening up, almost gone. This can help brighten the overall complexion, help make the pores look more minimized, and it helps with acne scarring as well. So you guys know it's really important to me to bring you honest reviews on products. I never want to recommend a product and have you feel like you wasted your money. I can honestly say the new Nira Surface Laser is a good purchase. I'm so glad I have it. Like I said, it's one of my most used devices. So typically I use this 5 days a week. Sometimes I take a break on the weekends. It is safe to use daily. I recommend it's used as tolerated. So maybe when you first get it, do it every other night or a couple nights a week. See how your skin responds and then bump up the frequency of use. Now, this is something I've been thinking about the last couple of days. But if I could only have one device, it's such a toss-up between this and a red LED mask, but I actually feel like I would pick this just because I feel like you get more collagen synthesis, and I've seen such good results under my eyes, treating hyperpigmentation spots, using it on my neck and chest, and I need to do more, but on the back of my hands. So you can tell that I've focused a lot of energy on my face, neck, and chest. And I have used this on the back of my hands, but I can definitely get some more improvement by being more consistent. And that's the key, is consistency. If you guys have used the Nira Precision Laser, let me know how you've liked it and if you've been consistent with it. And if you're interested in this new improved Nira surface laser. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I'd love for you to join the Gorgeously Aging community by subscribing to my channel. You can also find me on my other YouTube channels, Gorgeously Aging Advanced and Gorgeously Aging DIY. Thank you so much for joining me. Be good to yourselves and to others. I'm sending you all virtual hugs. I'll see you next time.